Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a magic 7-layer pie. It's a pie made with a graham cracker crust and has a layer of pretzels, pecans, butterscotch chips, coconut, condensed milk, and chocolate chips. It's then baked and has different flavors and textures. It is delicious. It's just like 7-layer bars but made into a pie. It's almost Thanksgiving, which means it's the time of year for pie. If you would like to see many more pie recipes, make sure to check out my playlist, which I'll link to up here or in the description box. Let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Place the graham crackers into a large plastic bag. Press out the excess air. Seal the bag and crush them using a rolling pin until it forms fine crumbs. Add the crumbs into a medium bowl. Add in the melted butter and mix it until combined. Add the mixture into a 9 or 10-inch pie pan. Spread it all over and press it firmly in the pan so it all sticks together. Then add in the pretzels, pecans, butterscotch chips, coconut, sweetened condensed milk, pouring it evenly all over the top, and chocolate chips. I'm using mini chocolate chips. Then place the pie onto a sheet pan to catch drips, and bake it in the oven for 20 minutes until the top is lightly browned. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. It needs to be completely cooled before serving so everything holds together. When it's completely cooled, you can cut out a slice and serve. And that's how to make a magic 7-layer pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.